So what is the difference between let and where and constant?
Let we use to indicate the particular variable. I mean, like sorry, let is used to define a particular string or number. So and the variable will use for string, number, and all data types. Constant, it is will use for only the exact constant number. Like example pi.
No, it's not like that.
I mean, yeah. I cannot mention.
All
Yeah,
are
I know.
all are used to declare and also to assign some variable. Either it can be a constant value or it can be I mean suppose let and where they both are used to I mean declare for the variables. So both I mean for the declaration only. But for the let, it is a block scope. It's a block scope element. After the scope, after the scope of the I mean one side, if I declare anything inside a flower braces with some let a equal to 10, after the end of the flower braces, that won't be available. Means that scope won't be available. It's a block scoped element. Constant is also a block scoped element, but we can't able to change it in future. We should not able to change it. And coming for the where if I am declaring outside the function, it will act like an global variable. If I am declaring inside the function, it will act like an local variable of that function. So that's a way we have to tell. Okay, so okay, let us go for one screen sharing and all. So yeah, so I have here one. Let us think I have a file here. Okay, and sample file like this I am giving here. Suppose sample.js. Okay, I am giving you the control. Okay, you can take the control from my end. One second.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, it is not typing anything.
You have to click on it. Waiting for you. Click it and yeah. I think you can control it now. You go to the sidebar and click on it. Yeah.
Like we should press double tap.
I think if you are swapping the screen, I think it will ask. I think so.
Tapping. I mean, like I should press hard while entering.
Okay. Fine, cool. What we'll do, we'll continue function in JavaScript. Hello. You can tell one small statement. What is a function in JavaScript?
I mean, like in function, we can declare a variable, and we can also execute the variable by using return statement.
Yeah, we can name it's a set of or collection of statements.
Yeah, set of statements, and we can use it to execute a variable.
Yeah. Okay. And what?
By calling.
So what is an array?
Array is a collection of similar data types.
Right. So what is an object?
Object, I mean, like we can combine the all data types into one
Yeah, one or more different data types.
one or more yeah.
One or more different data types in an one entry.
One entry.
Yeah. So we have like a double equal to and triple equal to in JavaScript. What is a double equal and what is a triple equal to?
Double equal to means it will check the just variable. I mean, like just equal. Triple equal to means it will also check the data type.
Yeah, value and also data type.
Value and data type.
So what are the different ways of commenting a line in JavaScript?
We can comment the in like can comment by using two slashes
Yeah.
per comment a single line, and we can also comment uh, by using this star slash
Yeah, forward slash star
forward slash like coming like two set of
and also
copying a set
star
of
star.
statements.
Yeah. So yeah, and also what are the different operators we are having in JavaScript?
The assignment operator, bitwise operator, logical operator,
Yeah, plus minus and also
plus minus. Yeah.
and also star and also slash and also we have like a modulus and increment and
Division.
decrement operator. Okay, and yeah, suppose if I am giving like this, suppose I am giving some a star equal to some b or some star equal to b. What this meaning in JavaScript?
A is equals to A star B.
A is equal to A
A
star
star
B.
B.
So I have one more thing like this, like A double star is equal to some B. So what is this mean? It's an exponential. It's an exponential actually. Okay, it means a power. Okay, so it's like A is equal to A star star B. Okay, and one and what are the different bitwise operators we have?
Left shift, right shift.
Okay, left shift and right shift. Okay, so yeah, but
And that logical
yeah,
or
yeah, between the operators we have left and one end and
right
one
shift.
R. So for example, this one end and also one R and also this negation not. Okay, and also cap is and also cap like we are going to give it like um,
And or not.
cap. Okay, XR, this is XR function and also less than double less than and double less than and double greater than. This is like left shift and this is like right shift. Okay, this will shift the bits actually. And what are the different logical operators we have? We have like
Double and
yeah, double end and also double R. This is like logical R. This is logical not. So this is logical operator. So here these are bitwise. So I have one query like type of an null. What is the type of a null?
null. will get undefined.
Okay. Type of a null is an object. Okay. So type of undefined is undefined. Okay. Okay. And also like what is a type of array? Suppose I have an array here. That array name is some array one. So what is a type of an array? Type of an array is also an object.
Object.
Okay. So these are really important things while we are facing the interview. And yeah, and also yeah, what are the strings? What is a generally string? We have several strings actually. So for declaring a string, what you will do in general, where variable equal to
Where a something variable is
some string name.
string will mention double quotes or single quotes.
Both we can do. We
Yeah.
can able to do double quote as well as single quote. Both we can able to do. So if I want to find the length of the string, what is the method to do that?
str.length.
Okay, dot length. So, yeah, and also if I want to, I have like few things like you know string methods like let us see index of. So and also let us go for the some small one only like some a search. If I want to search a particular string in a particular string, what is the method? What is the method I want to go for?
Substring.
String dot search. There is a string dot search.
String search. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. For particular value, we use string dot search.
Yeah. Suppose if I want to slice. Now, if I want to slice a particular, thing like suppose if I have a array like this, some kind of uh, apple, and also I have some kind of um, yeah, and also I have some banana, and also I have some kiwi. So this array I have. So if I am slicing this array, what will happen if I am slicing this array to some okay 7.13. Okay. Yes, here I am having this apple. From the apple, how much? What will be my output? If I am doing like this, what will be my output? Okay,
Banana.
banana. Yeah,
7, 5, 6,
yeah.
0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. And also, if I am doing some other slicing some my some if I am doing some slicing for a negative position, let us think some -2 or something. Okay, in this case, what will happen?
Minus 2 will get from back right side.
Yeah,
It's
minus 2. Yeah,
IW.
no, from V to will get V.
Okay. Yeah, 0, 1.
If I am slicing this to some kind of 0, okay, at this point, what will happen? Slice of some 0. At this point, what will happen? It will go for, so it will display total thing actually. So it will display entire, entire array. And if I am slicing for only one, or if I am slicing for two, let us think I sliced it for two. Okay. Then it will be slice of from 2, and it will be PLE comma banana
kiwi.
comma kiwi. Okay, so that's how the slicing will work. Okay. And yeah, and also we are having one more thing is like substring. Okay, so in this here, where if we want to get this banana, what we want to do is we have to go for slice, and here I want to go like 7 comma some 13. Okay, so after the 13th it will slice it. Okay, then I will get banana. So now I have one more substring here. So in this substring I am going to get like some kind of with this substring, how can I get this banana? Let us think with this. I mean with that array, how can I get the banana? Means I have to first slice seventh place. What is the seventh place? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh place. From the seventh place, I want how many letters? I want 6 letters. Okay. So from the seventh place, I want 6 letters. So it is like this, right? 7 comma 6. Okay. So that's how it will be slicing. I mean, it will be with the substring we can get banana value. Okay. So yeah, and also if I want to do some kind of negative slicing or something, so I mean with this, I mean, uh, and from the minus 6 and one second, yeah. Some 1 comma some 4. If I am giving some substring as some 1 comma 4, let us think I give some substring as some 1 comma 4. So now what will happen? It will result us the PPLE actually. Okay. So likewise, this string methods are there. We have these string methods, and if I want to replace a particular, if I want to replace a particular value in a string, then I can go for string dot replace. For example, if I have like some where some str is equal to some kind of apple, and also apple, and also some banana. So I want to replace this string of the banana with some other value, then I can go for replace parameter, that is like banana, and also one more thing is like I have to whatever it's going to replace GUA. So likewise I can able to replace. Okay. So this is about replacing actually. Okay. And what are the different I mean string methods you are aware means in JavaScript, like you can refer and tell also, no problem.
String dot length, string dot replace.
Okay.
I'll see. Yeah, I can. We
Okay.
can.
Yeah. Fine. That I understood. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Fine. That's okay for today.